How to fix error code Marmot in Destiny 2. 1. For Steam users. 1.1 Verify integrity of all the game files. 1.2. If the Marmot error code continues, back up and delete the packages folder. Now verify integrity of game files again. 2. For Epic Games Launcher players, verify the app similarly. 3. On Xbox One, Xbox Series X/S, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5, power your console down for a while. 4. Other tips. Uninstall and reinstall Destiny 2 app. PlayStation, launch the rebuild database option on its safe mode. Xbox One and Xbox Series X/S, clear persistent storage. Path, settings devices and connections Blu-ray persistent storage.